Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sashoni and I'm a Jamaican living in Japan. So today I have a Fukubukuro bag. So what is Fukubukuro? It is a lucky bag. Stores in Japan, they usually put their old stock together and they sell it to people at a discounted price. But the catch is you don't get to select what you get. So I paid, I think it was 1,200 for this. This is a bag of earrings. So as you can see, it has not been opened because I don't know what's in it and I want us to see together. So let's see what I got in my Fukubukuro, my very first Fukubukuro. Alright, so let's go. Oh, it says Happy New Year 2020. Okay. Oh, they put tape on it. Okay. Sorry guys for the lighting. This is a lot of tape. Alright, so let's see. Okay. Alright, so this is my bag. Focus. This is what inside looks like. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Okay, so got this is for 500 yen. This is like a scrunchie, I guess, a scrunchie with a bow on it. Okay, and that's for 500 yen. This is for what? This is for 2,000 yen. I bought the entire thing for like 1,200 yen, and this is like just the entire cost, more than the cost of the everything. Okay, I don't think I would have. This is fancy though, very fancy. Okay, let's see what's next. This is for 1,800 yen. This is a necklace with a key shaped like a heart. Focus. Sorry guys, the lighting is bad. Okay, let's see. This is for 1,000 yen. I don't know what this is. Is this supposed to like go on your clothes maybe? I don't know, but this is for 1,000 yen. This is not, this is like the other three. I think like these three that I've gotten so far, I think definitely I'll wear them. But for this I don't know what this is. And the flowers, no, it's not giving me like a, I don't like it. Okay, I have a clip. Ugh. Ooh. Lint everywhere. This is cute. I don't know if I'll be wearing this, but maybe I'll use it at home if I need to like clip up my hair. But yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, next. Oh, how much for this? Is there a price on it? No, I don't see any price on this thing. I don't see any price, but I would say maybe 1,000 yen. So when I'm doing the total, I'll put this at 1,000 yen. This is, oh, let me see inside. Oh, I'm sorry. This is for 2,500 yen. 2,500 yen for this thing. 2,500 yen for this thing. Who is gonna buy this thing for 2,500 yen? I can get it in Daiso for like 300 yen the most. Anyways, next, this is like a bangle, yeah, whatever. This is for 1,300 yen. Like these things, I don't know, I wouldn't buy them. And this is for 1,800 yen. Earrings. This I probably can wear it to work. Why does it look like this? these are clip-ons. What the hell? Because I was saying, like, why does this look so weird? Like, this can't screen my ears. But it's freaking clip-on, guys. Clip-on. I can wear a clip-on earring. But I already have a lot of piercings, so I don't need any more. But okay, I'll see you. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it. This is my first Fukubukuro. I wanted to buy clothes, but I didn't want to go to a store that I know that I would not like 3/4 of the clothes there. So I decided to just buy jewelry instead. I can't go wrong with jewelry. And I liked like most of the things here. Here's a closer look of the items because I know that the lighting was very, very bad. But yeah. So this is it. This is what I got. And the total came up to, I'm gonna leave it on the screen. But anyways, even though I think they're quite overpriced. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and share if you want to. Until next time, bye.